Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. We'll begin today with the feet shoulder width apart. Get as tall as you can and then soften slightly so that you're alert but relaxed. Making two loose fists, begin to turn from your waist and your hips, letting your fists knock against your lower abdomen and your lower back. Knocking on the door of life. The door of life is an acupressure point in the lower back. When we knock on this point, it stimulates the energy throughout the spine and the whole body. This also is a great way to loosen the shoulders. So imagine that your arms are empty coat sleeves, moving from your center, your torso. Let your torso drive the movement. All right, and then slowing it down, coming back to center, and then just taking a moment to notice how you feel. And then as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. Then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders, the chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. Then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. One more time to the other side, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner, one more time. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. Then the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, opening the wrists, the elbows, and the shoulders. One more time. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides, then the arms float down, just drifting side to side with the arms down low, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart, playing the peipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the peipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in and hug the tree right out in front. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. This time they float up to shoulder height. One hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, and then soften down. This time you can do it all together. Draw the bow as you soften down. One more time, the archer. And then release, circle all the way around and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down. Circle it around again, ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, ward off. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down as you shift back, then circle the arms around again. We call this rolling back. Receiving. Can we receive as gracefully as we give? This time we'll toss it away. The hands float out to the side, the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, the hand folds in, press forward. One more time. We call this one the press. And then the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, sit back and open, wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the side, bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth, other hand floats down. Circle it around again, ward off. Really tuning in to the sensations we normally tune out. One more time, ward off. Then from here, the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back, yielding, going with the flow. One more time, roll back, this time toss away. The hand folds in, press palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press, nice and soft. And then from here, the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back, open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away. And press. Release. Draw in. And push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it back to center, and then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face each other in front of the heart as you soften down. The hands brush out to the side, coming all the way up and over, down the center line, planting the tree. Other side, breathing in, floating up, breathing out, coming down. Coming up just as much as you can comfortably. Softening down one more time, planting the tree. And then circle the arms in front and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Then both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften down, rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee, and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. All right, one more time, brush knee and push. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, Circle the arms out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs, spiraling the energy throughout the body. One more time. Mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand circles on top, step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up. Coming back to the beginning, brush, knee, and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Just keep on moving. The secret of Tai Chi is continuous flow. One more time, brush, knee, and push. This time the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Draw them back in again. Mama bear gathers her cubs, like you're moving through the water. One more time, gather your cubs, bring them on home. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. Then cross the wrists right in front of the heart, and the palms press out to the sides. Once again, cross the wrists in front of the heart, press out to the sides, creating space. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, creating space. And the arms float down by the sides. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down. And then shift all your weight over to one side. The same side hand floats up. And then back down. Other side, shift the weight. Lift the hand like you're bouncing the ball. This time you can lift your hand and then the opposite leg. You can always touch down as needed. Other side, bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. Touching down or lifting up. A little challenge is okay. You can always keep your toe down though. Just being kind to yourself, please. One more time, bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down. Palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity, calming the heart, calming the mind, creating inner healing. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. All right, stick around for a few more for your poem of the day. All right, and today's poem is one that I made called A Shift of Compassion. I once was told a fallacy. To be the best would set me free. They said success would make me whole, a shining star, a worthy soul. But then I learned a kinder way, a path to practice every day, a letting go right from the start, to act and speak from a loving heart, a softness to the child inside, a place to unmask and no longer hide. Releasing the need for external success, I now walk with mindful gentleness. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.